Well, very good morning to you. Welcome to the Portable Well. My name is Mark and this is Water for Mummies. It's not water for dummies, this is water for mummies, because if my mum can understand it, the chances are you can understand it. So today we're looking at the combining effect. So what we've got to bear in mind when we're looking at water is everything really that's added to our environment at some stage does get down into the water in the manufacturing process. So today I'm going to talk about the over 85,000 man-made chemicals or man-made synthetic compounds that have been added to our environment since the late 50s. That's quite a lot. Now, those are only the ones that have been registered. I don't even think the register, it may be compulsory now. I know at the beginning it wasn't compulsory. And then we saw things like the Erin Brockovich, the dark waters, you know, the problems they had in America with PFAS, and I'm afraid to say that in some parts of this country we may be facing those challenges at some time soon. So let me explain to you what the combining effect. So at the moment I am a water filtration expert, if you like. I'm not an expert, I'm a humble student of a giant who is an expert. So let me just put myself into context. And at the moment, this is chemical A. This represents chemical A. This is a polystyrene cup, and this chemical A is happily bobbing around in the water systems of the world, and every time it comes up against one of my filters or a municipal filter, the filter is able to remove it, and you don't drink it basically. This is particularly I think that this is a fantastic description, if you like. So this is a particle in water that comes up against a filtration system. At the moment, that filtration system could be your kidney. It could be your kidney. Just to let you know that our sediment filter, this is an old dirty one, but our sediment filter of 0.5 micron is actually representative of your kidney's ability to filter. So as you can see, this particular filter, everything that this filter has picked up is a reflection of what your kidney would be picking up as well, in terms of the particulates in water, not the solubles but the particulates in water. So let's imagine that this particular polystyrene cup is one of those things. It's bobbing around in the water, it's very, very happy, comes up against one of my filters, doesn't go anywhere. However, somewhere down the line, the chemical company have designed a new manufacturing process for a new fandango plastic something or other, so then another chemical is added into the water. So this is the combining effect. So we have chemical A, particulate from chemical A, and then we have chemical B, which at this time just happens to be a liquid. And if we look carefully, look what can happen when chemical A reacts to chemical B. Chemical A becomes very, very easy to break down. Chemical A becomes very, very easy to break down, and these particular little strands here of the original compact are quite a lot more difficult to remove, and this is the problem we're seeing at the moment with PFAS. This is a problem we're seeing at the moment with pharmaceutical and nutraceutical and other man-made things that are in the water. We have very, very up-to-date research that indicates that we can get down to this level as best we can. We have some of the most up-to-date methods of removing PFAS from water, but as you can see, that is the combining effect, and that is the problems of water treatment in the future, explained by me as easy as I can. This is Portable Well. I'm Mark. Stay hydrated, and please always read the label.